Want to know how to sign out of guru.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your guru.com website. Just simply head towards your web browser and type in guru.com, and you should be right here if you have login. So logging out is super simple. By default, you should be on your dashboard, and on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So you can just select that. So now once you select your profile, you should be seeing various options popping up, and all the way in the bottom you should also be seeing logout. Just simply select logout. And now once you've selected that, as you can see right here, you should be automatically logged out from guru.com in just a single click. And that's it, super simple and easy. And you can just simply log in from the same way as well. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily log out of guru.com. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.